Did you know that divorce doesn't have to be complicated? Many believe it's a battle, but cooperation can make it seamless. Imagine a process where both parties walk away satisfied without the drama. Learn how cooperation can make your divorce process seamless. By focusing on mutual agreements, you can avoid lengthy court battles and unnecessary stress. It's about working together for a smoother transition. Gather essential financial documents like bank statements and tax returns. These are crucial for a transparent process, especially in California. Missing details can delay your divorce significantly. Avoid common pitfalls that can delay your divorce process. Ensure all financial disclosures are complete. This step is vital to keep things moving smoothly and efficiently. Discuss property and debt division with your spouse. Reaching agreements on these key issues early can expedite the process. It's about focusing on the bigger picture, not the small details. Reach agreements on child custody and spousal support. By addressing these matters up front, you can avoid court involvement and move forward faster. Explore options: DIY attorney or paralegal services. Divorce661.com offers a streamlined, affordable solution for amicable divorces. We handle paperwork, ensuring no legal mistakes. Keep communication open and stay focused on your end goal. By choosing Divorce661.com, you ensure a hassle-free process. Contact us today for a free consultation and finalize your divorce the right way.